Demand for the luxury goods has softened amidst cautious spending in a lot of major markets of the luxury goods, for example, China, Europe, and US. Together, these three markets comprise of 70% of the market of luxury goods. The luxury companies are revisiting the product portfolios and their pricing strategies, especially their pricing architecture. Historically, luxury items have seen very steep price increase, which has averaged between 55% more than their actual costs from 2019 onwards. Now, this pricing strategy has alienated a core customer of the luxury brands, which is the middle income consumers who typically do not purchase very high ticket items, but they significantly contribute to the volume sales for the luxury brands. And the focus now for the luxury brands is on the entry level items, wherein there is a response by these aspirational consumers. Now, brands like Burberry and Gucci, which are traditionally relied upon the broader client base rather than a very high-end clientele. For example, the clientele which Dior or Louis Vuitton or maybe Chanel can bank upon. But it's different for these brands like Burberry, Gucci. What they are doing it, they're finding it necessary to offer more accessible priced items. For instance, Burberry has offered a range of handbags which is less than $1,500. If you go to their website and put in a price range within $0 to $1,500, you'll see maybe approximately 20 to 30 items which you can buy within that price range. Now, this has significantly increased the availability of accessible priced items compared to the recent years. Similarly, Gucci has also done that. Gucci has also expanded its collection of affordable luxury, particularly through its range of super mini handbags. So this is the strategic shift that most of the luxury brands are undertaking, and interestingly, this trend towards the smaller yet premium priced items appears to be stimulating the spending across the consumer segments, suggesting a strategic pivot that could help the luxury brands stabilize their revenue streams during this economic downturn. In conclusion, what we'd like to say is that luxury brands are adapting their pricing strategies. They are trying to retain the traditional affluent clientele and also recapture the middle income consumers who have felt sidelined by all these price rises. And by adjusting the price portfolios as well as the product portfolios, these brands are hoping to drive traffic back into the stores and recover the current sales slump to a more swift and a more easy recovery for them.